The Spyker Lawn Roller FAQ. After filling your roller with water, be sure to screw the plug in until the O-ring seals the drum all of the way to avoid leaking. Ground conditions are essential to good leveling. The soil should be damp but not muddy. For the longest product life, drain the roller completely and leave the plug out. And if possible, hang the roller up on a hook when not in use to avoid getting a flat spot in the roller. If a flat spot develops during storage, ensure the roller is empty and then leave it out in the sun to warm up the drum. Then roll the piece around to remove the flat area. The lawn roller can also be filled up with sand instead of water for no risk of freezing. However, this option is more permanent and the roller will be too heavy to lift or hang on a hook for storage. For questions about your Spyker lawn roller, contact Spyker customer service at 1-800-972-6130.